Today, I want to take you on a little tour of my reorganized office to give you guys some ideas of maybe how to organize your inventory. So stay tuned. Hello there, Cindy Krause from Krause House Thrift and Thrift. If you don't know, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for checking it out. If you're returning, I appreciate you. So I did a little rearranging today in my office. It's not a big deal. You know, I don't have sophisticated systems to store my items. I was going to get like a multi-shelf shoe rack, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to work with what I have. I have a shelving unit, and I have organized my office so many times, mostly because the closet I have in here is so small. It's you know, back in the 20s, a lot of times they didn't do closets, or if they did, they were small. So I'm stuck with this small closet, and for a long time, well, most of the time I've been here, which is over a year, I've put boxes in it, but I've always had a hard time because they would fall down and, you know, I couldn't find them, and there just was not a great use of that space. And I also have a storage unit right in front of that closet, which I used to have my purses, and then I put my purses in the closet. You'll see where I had them. And then I had my shoes on there, but then the shoes kept falling down. It was not great. So I decided to put my purses and my shoes in the closet, and I took the boxes out. So the boxes are now on that storage unit where I used to have the purses and the shoes. So let me show you guys what it looks like. Guys, this is the path I cleared. This was very cluttered before, and I just like this narrow path. So when I organized this area over here, I was able to make more room for walking, which is awesome. Let me turn this light on for you. Okay, so this is where all my purses are. Used to have this here over the door, but move this here works good. Mostly my smaller purses, but some other hanging ones. Yeah, kind of organized mess, but I know where everything is. Got like bigger purses and backpacks there. Got shoes down there. My shoes are in here. Got this hanging thing at a thrift store. And yeah, the leftovers are just kind of the floor, but that's the way it goes. I'm not buying any more shoes. I'm gonna try and sell those. These are my hanging clothes. Got some more here. Jackets, coats. Love to sell them. I haven't sold them yet. This is just my overflow of my priority boxes. Yeah, you know, I have such a small closet. I just had to make do with what I have. This is just leftover stuff, wallets and other purses, etc. Just some drop cloths I use for pictures. Hey, I should use that. I don't use this for anything. I can hang a purse up there, I just realized. So yeah, this is way better than putting just boxes in here, which never really worked out for me. So here's a lot of my boxes are here. Got some priority down there. So I think it's gonna work well. Just did this today, so I don't really know. Yeah, kind of precarious the way they're stacked, but I think it's gonna be good. And then I just got the garment rack here that obviously I'll have to move that if I need to really get in there, but this works good. Put a lot of my to be photographed clothes here. These are just like kids stuff and just stuff I threw over there for now. Got my, this is like my blankets, etc. here. Yeah, it's a mess, you guys, but it's the best I could do with this space. So stuffed animals, more boxes. I got some cardboard pieces that I use quite a bit actually for when I have breakables and I need to protect them. if I'm not going to double box something, I like to use pieces of cardboard to protect the item. These are small boxes. These are things I've listed down here too, and I have those all on my custom SKU so I know where they are. These are the things on top because I have dormer ceilings. That's what you get with a 1920s house, plus we're on the top floor, so that's part of why it's dormered. So then this is working really good. So my SKU system that I have on eBay, I would say this would be a bin 1-0270, and that's the way I find these items. It's working out great. I also have things on the side. All my mugs are on the side. That's jewelry. More mugs. And that's something I'm selling there. And then I got some, I think I saw pepper shakers down there. And again, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, I have a lot of clothes for sale. So I'm very happy when I sell clothes. Okay, so it continues here, 7. Kind of overflowing there, but because I had room, I put, you know, some bulkier things on top. 8, 9, 10, and then it continues here. 11, just put these up here. Oliver used to sleep up here, but I kicked him off and have my 12 that will be filled shortly, but he sleeps over there now. And then we got non-clothing items, miscellaneous, A, B, C, D, E, F. I just leave these out because it's easier. I'm the only one who picks items from here. G, H. Kind of got the pink theme there. J just got a bigger bin, so that's why there's room. But I do sell things out of here. K, this guy cute. Got him. He's a little candle holder. Fish. Got some interest on him. And then L. Oops. And then M is around the corner. I'll show you in a minute. These are my desk / money / profit piles. This is way better than listing a lot of clothes. So I've gotten them down to a manageable size. That's the caps. There's my light. These are smalls. They're just kind of mixed in right now. Oh, I gotta pick these up. It's just kind of miscellaneous station. That's where I keep like my pads and stuff. There's M. And this is just miscellaneous stuff I'm selling. So is that. I don't have a label. I just pretty much know where it is. Damn, I still got room in there. These are stuff I'm selling that I just put on the side. Don't want to put them in a bin. My fridge. Don't have much in there. Got some seltzer waters and some ice cubes. And so I'll go around this way. Yeah, my garment rack. Betsy, that's my mannequin. I was calling my mannequins Betsy. Don't know why. John and I just like that name. It's a cool old-fashioned name. My steamer and lighting and that. And then this, as you can see, ties and belts, bras. I also have kids' clothes in there and just kind of miscellaneous stuff on the bottom. When I take pictures, I'll put the, if it's a man's clothing item, I put that up here. Take the pictures, write down the measurements, and then if it's the, you know, women's clothing, I put on here, and then I'll take it off the mannequin, put the mannequin here, you know, take pictures, and then put it up here, and then I take the measurements, you know, this way, and sometimes I need to take a picture of the tag there too. I write down the measurements here. I made this little chart here. Just got 2 to a sheet. And I just print them on draft paper, scratch paper, I guess. And then you guys could see I have, you know, the item name, chest or bust, depending men's or women's clothing. I don't always do waist, but I do for sure inseam length and the chest or bust. And then when that's done, and I put it here. So when I list the clothing, I could just look at this sheet and I'm good. Okay, so you can get this on Amazon. You press that, and it's meant to be pressed with your foot. And voila, light. Ooh, kind of bright. And this is my other light. And that works great. That way I don't have to go, turning it off. I don't have to go to each one, you know, like there. And then sometimes like this, they're on the thing. Yeah, I love that. I have 2 of those. I have another one over there for the lights at my table. So that's something if you guys want to do to make your life easier. Getting these things on Amazon, they're really cheap, like $5 to $10. I can't remember. These are my bags for when I've sold something and I packed it up. I have various sizes. I mentioned that last week's video. This is just something I've listed. And then my bags, I get these, my boxes, get these from local Don's Thriftway behind there. They have a lot of boxes. And these are things listed. This is to be listed. Well, that one's listed, but those are to be listed. The rest is just kind of a mess over there, but those are listed. This is just a little, it's got my things I wear in my YouTube videos. There's Oliver's perch, and then these things are all listed. These are my blankets and bedding and that kind of thing. And this, I have this up here, but every time I like put it up like on my desk or something, Oliver grabs it and brings it downstairs. So I just kind of left him here. Oh, I haven't showed you guys. I got this, well, it's kind of hard, but I got one of these. Yeah, it hooks up there, 2 sides. And yeah, that's all the things I use for cleaning my eBay items. I know I showed you guys I used to have them in a little carry-on, but that was kind of driving me crazy. I like this better. That was just harder to grab things. These are my to be listed, just thrifted some of these things. And then this is my board for folding, my folding board. Yeah, this, I usually have it like this. This is my photograph table. But my cats love this because it's super soft, and you know, cats and dogs love to lay on things that are soft. So I used to have it like this, and then they'd come and lay there, and then I couldn't take pictures. So now I have to just put out of the way. They don't like laying on this as much. So then that's my lights. Look at this big light I got at a local thrift store. It's huge, but it's great. It puts out a lot of light. And then here's another one of these things. If I could get it to work. There. Turn on my lights. I'll turn off again. So love those things. They're so great. So then once I take pictures up there and I got the measurements, I throw the clothes there, or whatever it is, whatever I'm going to be listing. And here are the sheets. I know it's scribbled. It's my writing. I'm the only one who looks at it. There's my printer, my computer, and my shipping station, my lovely husband and me. And yeah, it's a mess. And then this is, John had bought too many caps, so I'm getting rid of, I'm looking them up on eBay, and whatever we've had either longer a year or doesn't have washers is going. And used to have the caps in there, it was overflowing, but now they're going to be in here, and I'm not going to go over the top of this. So yep, that's just one of the things I recommend. You guys, if you have inventory that's stale and just sitting there, you've had for, I don't know, longer than a year or two, and you want to get rid of it, clear it out for new inventory, yep, that is something I would do because I do it and I love it. And I was watching a YouTube video of a wonderful reselling couple.
Listed. And then a pair of
hustling hooks. I recommend you guys watch them if you haven't. And that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. I hope this gives you some ideas on how to maybe arrange your office, organize your office or shed or garage, wherever you have your inventory. Just wanted to kind of give you guys some ideas, show you how I organize things. Once I move, I'll get it organized differently. It all depends on your space. You organize according to your space, what kind of space you have. So, you know, how I organize it here would probably be different in another home, depending where I have my inventory, obviously. And when we move, I'll take you guys along with me. I'm really excited because tomorrow, John discovered this thrift store that we've never been to. We tried to go the other day, but they were closed. And they're supposed to be open, but looks like it's not.
At least we know, 208. I can come here on my lunch hours. 208.
Oh, bummer. I was hoping we discovered a new thrift store. They're almost tripped on this rug here. Here we go. Oh well. This is the town of Wendell. It's pretty small. It's where John works. Oh my gosh, it's really cold today. I'm getting in the car. And they're having like a pancake breakfast in the morning, which I love. I love pancakes. Every time John and I go to breakfast, I get pancakes, even though I'm not supposed to, but I have to have them. I just love them. And then we could go thrifting afterwards, so I'm super excited. Yay! Like I need to thrift anymore, but we're going to do it. So. Hopefully I'll take you guys along with us. So hope you're having a great Friday. It's Friday here. A great day whenever you're watching this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.